Imagine a world where every cut of wood is made with unmatched precision, where every DIY project becomes a work of art thanks to the perfect tool. This world is now within your reach with the Bosch Professional GKS 190 circular saw. From the very first moments you hold it, you will understand that you are not dealing with an ordinary saw. With its 1400 watts of pure power, it promises to turn every cutting challenge into an easy and satisfying task. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This circular saw is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision, power, and versatility in their cutting projects. This tool is perfect for those who demand the best quality and durability to achieve flawless work on various materials. The Bosch Professional GKS 190 is much more than just a saw. It is the result of cutting-edge engineering designed to provide an unprecedented experience. Its 190mm diameter circular saw blade is specially made of carbide, a material known for its hardness and durability, ensuring clean and precise cuts with every use. Whether you are working with aluminum or other recommended surfaces, this saw will never let you down. One of the most impressive aspects of the Bosch Professional GKS 190 is its ability to provide great flexibility of use. Thanks to a high cutting depth of 70mm and an inclination range of up to 56 degrees, it is surprisingly easy to handle in all situations. Whether you are an experienced professional or a passionate hobbyist, you will appreciate its versatility and ability to adapt to your specific needs. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The rapid cutting progress in both soft and hard materials is ensured by the 1400W motor. With a speed of 5500 revolutions per minute, the Bosch Professional GKS 190 allows you to work efficiently, reducing the time spent on each task. The ergonomic and compact design of the saw ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to work with precision and without fatigue. The saw comes with everything you need to start working immediately. A carbide circular saw blade, a dust extraction adapter, a longitudinal stop, a 600 male blade key, and everything is carefully packed in a sturdy box. This attention to detail demonstrates Bosch Professional's commitment to providing not only a quality tool, but also a complete solution for your cutting projects. With an electrical voltage of 230V, this saw is ready to use in a variety of contexts, effortlessly adapting to your work environment. The Bosch Professional GKS 190 circular saw is not just a tool, it is a promise of quality, precision, and reliability. With its impressive features and user-focused design, it is ready to handle all your cutting needs, big or small. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high power. With 1400W, it offers fast and efficient cutting progress. Advantage number 2, adjustable cutting depth and angle. Cutting capacity of 70mm in depth and up to 56 dig in angle for great flexibility. Advantage number 3, ergonomic design. Compact shape and increased maneuverability, making the tool easy to use even in tight spaces. Advantage number 4, complete accessories, delivered with a carbide saw blade, dust extraction adapter, and more for immediate use. Advantage number 5, high build quality made by Bosch Professional, ensuring durability and performance. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, wired power source. The need for an electricity source can limit the tool's mobility on certain job sites. So, for those looking for power, precision, and versatility in a compact and ergonomic tool, the Bosch Professional GKS 190 is the obvious choice. Don't miss the opportunity to transform the way you work with wood. Click on the link in the description to order yours at the best price, learn more about the product, and discover the hundreds of customer reviews that testify to its exceptional quality. Transform your DIY projects into masterpieces today with the Bosch Professional GKS 190. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.